Beneath the dust lies a legend. Watch what happens when we bring it back to life. Left behind, forgotten by time, but not beyond saving. Every surface tells a story, layers of neglect. Fragile, but still holding on. Worn, but not beyond repair. Extraction begins. Secure the line. Every inch forward, earned. Stabilized, ready for transport. Not the end, but a second beginning. Let the work begin.
Careful. Every detail matters.
Back into motion, step by step. Ready. Restoring the touch. Detail by detail. Let the past flow away. Let it break it down. Transformation has begun. Ready for the next step. Let's begin. Power disconnected. The heart comes out. Order in the chaos. Strip it down. Every system worn. Remove the past. Layer by layer. Fragile connections. Expose the core.
Even legends come apart. Nothing stays untouched.
Now we rebuild. We rebuild the foundation. Cut away the damage. Clean, pure, strong again. The heart restored. Precision in every movement. Reconnect the system. Stronger than before. Bring back the shine. Old meets new. Rebuilt to perfection. Everything aligned. Now we make it beautiful. The foundation of perfection. Flawless begins here. Color returns. Layer by layer, depth emerges. Time perfects the finish. The heart returns, stronger than ever. Every detail complete. Crafted for a new life. Refinement to perfection. Every detail flawless. From rust to royalty. Legends don't fade, they return. Please like and comment on my video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.